Some mornings you don't wake up in pain, you just feel off. Your body's awake, but your posture's slouched and your energy is still stuck in bed. Let's reconnect your spine, core, and breath. Let's hit the mat. We start here because when your spine moves well, everything else follows. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset. Come onto all fours, inhale, arch the back, and lift the gaze, cow. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, cat. Flow slow, let your breath lead. You can feel movement between the shoulder blades, space opening through your whole back. This wakes up your spinal rhythm and boosts energy flow to the brain. You'll feel more alert, more grounded before we even get off the floor. We've got core and posture next. You'll need this new mobility. One deeper round, inhale big, exhale slow. Are you sinking your breath or rushing through it? That just unlocked your spine. Now let's lengthen the back line. Your body carries weight you don't always notice, especially in your hamstrings and lower back. This fold helps you release it. Sit tall, legs extended forward. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge at your hips, fold forward. Let your head drop, don't force it. Breathe into it. You'll feel your hamstring stretch, lower back release, calm in the nervous system. This lengthens your posterior chain, calms the breath, and preps your body for better posture all day long. You'll feel the release make space in your chest next. Can you hold the fold while breathing deeper for 5 more seconds? Are you folding or are you forcing? That just lengthened your foundation. Now let's lift the heart. Your phone, your desk, your sleep posture, they've all pulled your shoulders forward. This reverses all of it. Stand or kneel tall, clasp your hands behind your back, press down and lift your chest to the sky. Keep your breath full and slow. You're going to feel your shoulders drawing back, chest expanding, upper spine rising. This resets your posture and gives your lungs room to breathe deeper. Oxygen is energy. The more open your chest, the calmer your brain. Pull your hands 1 inch further back, 5 more seconds. Are you opening your heart or clenching through your jaw? That just reopened your posture. Now let's stretch your sides. You don't just need length forward and back, you need it side to side. Let's create that space now. Stand or kneel. Reach your right arm overhead, gently bend to the left. Keep your chest open, don't collapse. You're going to feel a side body stretch, spine elongation, a rib expansion. This improves breathing and balance, especially if you feel curled or sit twisted. We're not done until both sides match. Go 10% without letting your chest collapse. Are you lengthening or just leaning? That just opened your right side. Let's even it out. Balance isn't optional, it's essential. Let's match the work and restore symmetry. Lift your left arm, reach gently to the right. Keep both feet or knees grounded. Let your breath move into the stretch. You're going to feel a deep opening from the hip to fingertips. Rib cage releasing. Symmetry supports and alignment supports energy. Releasing your side body can help reduce tension headaches. Try 1 more breath and reach further into the exhale. Are you present or counting down? That just balanced your frame. You're aligned and activated. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.